Hey there, Greg from My Mortgage. Just wanted to touch base on a few things to consider when you're refixing your home loan. So when you get a home loan, you have the option to go onto a floating interest rate, or you have an option to fix your home loan. You might fix it in one bit, you might fix it in a few bits, and you might fix it for a short period of time, or you might fix it for a longer period of time. And so there's a lot of things to consider there. And when we come to the end of one of those fixed terms, so say we've fixed our home loan for 12 months, when we come to the end of that, what are the things that we should consider? So a few things. One, has your situation changed? So has there been a change in your financial situation? Are you earning differently? So maybe you were on a full-time PAYE, same amount of money every week coming into your bank account. And now you've changed into a base salary with some commission. Well, that might change how we want to structure your lending, and it also might change what we want to do around your fixed rates as well. So maybe you've got a situation that's about to change. So I'm getting some inheritance that's coming in 6 months, or we're deciding we're going to sell this property and look to buy something else. So that would determine what we do as well. We've had a few situations recently where people have fixed in for a longer term to give themselves a bit more certainty, and then but they've had in their mind that we want to sell the house in 6 to 12 months. Well, then we could be up for some quite large break fees. So it's really important to make sure that you're looking at what your situation is moving forward. Obviously, there's times where unexpected things jump up, and that's okay. But if you have a plan in place of how you want to work forward with your home ownership or your property portfolio, things like that, then it's a really good idea to have those conversations. And that's where we can have those conversations with you, ask those questions. Hey, is anything changing? Maybe there's a change with your family, kids changing, anything like that. Maybe there's a new child that's come into the family, something like that. And so then it's a really good idea to have a think about that before you go and fix the rate. And it might not be that just choosing the lowest rate is the best option. And the other thing we're seeing a lot is people getting their interest rate advice from social media groups, from online articles, from other experts, and it's good to get a bit of an idea of where things are sitting as the whole economy and the population, what they're doing, those sorts of things. But that's not specific to your situation. So it's really important to have a conversation with a financial advisor who can give you independent and personalized advice around what you should do for your fixed home loan. So feel free to touch base with us if you've got a fixed home loan that's coming off a fixed term. Then we can have a conversation about it, look at your lending as a whole, and figure out the best strategy for you to make sure that it's right for you and your family situation.